Welcome, everyone, to a remarkable journey, from barren land to red gemstones we know as pomegranates. When pomegranate harvest season arrives, fertile regions across Asia, from India and Iran to China, are filled with laughter and the bustling footsteps of farmers. The pomegranate is far more than just a fruit. It's a source of pride. A blend of labor and dedication that farmers pour into each tree and every ripe, gleaming fruit. This year, the pomegranate harvest in Asia has reached an impressive 7.9 million tons. An achievement that showcases the tireless work ethic and deep connection farmers have with the land and their crops. But what's the journey from planting to harvesting these rich, red fruits? Let's explore this fascinating story together. Pomegranate trees are demanding. They are selective with both soil and climate. The dry regions of India, Iran, and China provide the perfect environment for pomegranate growth. The soil, although it appears rugged, contains essential nutrients with excellent drainage, ideal for cultivating fruit with the richest flavor. The long, hot summers and intense sunlight help bring out the sweetness and juiciness that make pomegranate seeds shine. The farmers here know that the soil is more than just a foundation, it's a treasure trove that requires mindful care. They treat every inch of land with great attention, balancing the water and checking the moisture levels so that the earth maintains the ideal conditions for growth. Each pomegranate thrives under these conditions, ensuring they are sweet, succulent, and vibrant. If the farmer is an artist, the pomegranate tree is their masterpiece. The care process demands incredible patience and precision. From a young age, each tree is nurtured, pruned, and safeguarded from disease with organic fertilizers, carefully assessed by farmers who are deeply familiar with their plant's needs. But the artistry of tending pomegranates goes beyond that. Farmers spend hours observing the slightest signs on their trees, responding to any yellowed leaves or small shifts in the tree's health. They say it's like understanding an old friend, with just a walk around the orchard. Listening to the rustling leaves, they can sense the vitality of each tree. This is not just a job but a labor of love for their land and the future crimson harvest. Harvest season is a time of increased energy and focused precision. Harvesting pomegranates is a delicate task. With a thin rind and juicy seeds, the pomegranate requires a gentle touch. Farmers rely on years of experience, determining the right time for harvest based on the fruit's color and firmness. Each pomegranate is carefully twisted off the branch to avoid damaging the rind, and placed delicately in baskets lined with straw to cushion any movement. Witnessing basket after basket filled with deep red fruit glistening in the sunlight is a proud moment for these farmers, rewarding their hard work and perseverance. In larger orchards, modern technology has become a valuable partner to traditional methods. From quality control machines to automated systems for harvesting and transportation, every step is fine-tuned to ensure the best quality of fruit. Advanced tools allow farmers to assess the ripeness of pomegranates right in the field, helping them make quick harvesting decisions. However, many rural villages still prefer traditional methods. They believe machines cannot fully match the sensitivity and expertise of human touch. By blending traditional and modern practices, Asia's pomegranate industry has reached new heights of productivity and quality. The pomegranate industry in Asia is not just a story of fields or bountiful harvests. It's a story of farmers with an unbreakable love for the land. Amid climate change, disease, and other challenges, they continue to look toward a sustainable future. And with a record harvest of 7.9 million tons, they have proven that with passion and resilience, no challenge is too great to overcome.